What is going on, YouTube universe? This is your boy Tony coming at you again with another video. If you guys like it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, it is cold in Texas. It may not be that cold, but for us Texans that are always dealing with the heat, it is freaking freezing. Anyways, so in the next clip, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a new mod that I got for Pumpkin. I've been doing so much research on it. It is definitely something I've been wanting to do to her, just to get rid of the aftermarket stereo that she already had. Other than that, I mean, I've been wanting it, and there's not a lot of stereos that are actual touchscreen stereos that look good for cars. They kind of look a little hazy, or they look too plasticky on the screen, but this one actually looks crystal clear. It is a Sony. It's a Sony touchscreen. It's the only Sony that I know that is a touchscreen for stereos that I know of. There could be older ones or newer ones, but this one per se has the Apple CarPlay, Android Play. I dig it, and we'll get into it, and let me know what you think. Seriously. Zane. Hey, Zane. Yeah, stretch those muscles out. She's a little dirty. Let's get right to it. Again, she's a little dirty, haven't been in her in a while, but this is what I'm working with. And if go ahead and see that this Pioneer looks so cheesy on her. Not about it, but I'm gonna switch that out. Nasty. Get rid of it. Kind of just going into this, I've taken this off once before, this panel. But basically what you need is a prying tool, and they do make some plastic prying tools that you can use. It's a lot safer, but in this case, like I said, I've kind of taken this off before, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a flat screwdriver. The first thing I'm gonna do is just remove this bottom piece first. Most people can just with my hands, just be very careful again, and might put the car in neutral. Put the e-brake. Okay, once we got that off, you want to go ahead and remove these right here. So, let me get my handy dandy sockets. Next, with a 7mm, go ahead and take off these two screws that are on the side. Once we got that off, go ahead and remove these, all three of them, if you have a GT, or even if your V6 has a fog light here. So basically, to remove these, it's like a push clip. Just push down on it, and then just literally, and it's hard to do it with one hand, but you get the point. Just push down on it. I don't know if you can really see well. Push down and then pull out. Anyways, yeah, go ahead and do that, and then we'll get to the next one, which is removing these screws right here. Go ahead and just do this process if you already had an aftermarket stereo. Should be a little similar whenever doing the factory stereo as well, from what I've seen. I guess there's 4 of them. Alright, next we'll go ahead and disconnect every single wire here, and it's literally just unplugging. And then repeat the same process with the new stereo. So let's just do that real quick. It is freezing. But Hey, we're doing this because we love our cars. We love them. Woo! Freezing. Stereo. Here we go, here we go. Sweet. Oh, this one looks a lot smaller. I don't know if it's gonna fit with the same mount that I have. We'll go ahead and take all the stuff that it comes with if I need it. It even has a remote. Okay. Whew. All right, let's get to it. So pretty. So pretty. Super excited. I'm telling you guys, best stereo that I've seen. You guys are gonna find out, trust me. Guys, so I actually lucked out because this same mount will fit the same stereo that I have here, because I know some come wider. So what you want to do next is, let's see, I don't know if you guys see there, but this mount actually fit pretty just right. So next you want to put the screws back in here. If you guys didn't figure out, I know I didn't show you guys, it's a screw, just line them up to where they need to be, and then redo the whole process all over again, and it's exactly the same thing. Yeah, so let me go ahead and finish this up and then show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so just to keep you updated, it is New Year's Day and it is freezing. I had to pause on doing the whole install of the car last night because I did come into some wiring issues. The connection was different. I was dumb. I just thought aftermarket stereos were the same connection. Well, they're clearly not. So all you have to do is just match up the same wires as they go, and it's easy to do. Just connect them again. If you guys need help, I'll recommend you a video. I'll probably put in the link down below. If not, just, you know, give me a holler and I'll help you out. But other than that, I just finished assembling everything together. Excuse the mess inside my pumpkin. It is nasty. But let me know what y'all think. I'll actually keep you guys updated because I did run the USB wire on the car. The only thing is I didn't ground, and on these older models I didn't do too much research. I just, you know, this is my first time ever doing a stereo like this. But for Android CarPlay, it says there's some error that says I have to have the e-brake on when I connect it on my phone. And I saw the wire back there, I just didn't connect it. I didn't think I really needed it. But unfortunately I do. So I'm gonna take it to my boy Ricky down at Best Buy, San Antonio. Great guy if you need any kind of audio work or anything done inside your car as far as like auto starts, things like that. Which, by the way, if you guys do like the auto starts, let me know. I've been thinking about doing it to both my Roxy and my Pumpkin. So, you know, let me know if that's a good idea. Or if you guys already have it in your cars, is it really worth it? Right now it's fucking freezing, it took forever. But a few revs and then got it done. Anyways, I'll keep you guys posted on that situation. But other than that, there is the stereo. Looks beautiful in the car. Again, let me know what you guys think. And if you like the video, go ahead and hit that big like button. And man, just subscribe if you want to see more of this. This is for you guys. Again, you guys have any kind of topics that you guys want to see, because I've got a list of mods that I want to do. By far a list. But let me know if there's anything that y'all want to see. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys then.